So I'll go through that with you now. This is one thing that I brought that I definitely think is a good idea. It's just a water bottle. It's from Chili's, I think it's called. This is good because in Italy, I think like all the towns have water fountains, so you don't have to pay for bottled water. You can just fill it up there. I haven't really found it a struggle to try find it, so I've always had water wherever I go. On the front of my day bag I put this, which is good if you just want to throw on a cap if you have dirty hair, or if you're at the beach and you want to keep the sun out of your eyes. And this is a little camera or electronics case that fits into my bag. It's by DB, which I'm not sure what it stands for, but it's like a Norwegian, Swedish, Finland, Denmark brand. It just has little sections that you can reorganize depending on what you're putting in. So I have like this one here is where my camera goes. I have my microphone, dead cat. I brought my Instax printer so I can print off Polaroids and give them away if I want. Then I have my storage SSD things. I also brought my GoPro. Sometimes this is handy, like if you're walking around and you want to vlog but you don't want a big massive camera, this is good for doing that. Or also at the beach. And then I obviously have like my chargers for my earphones, my phone, my Fitbit, my camera, everything like that. And I didn't forget my camera batteries or my camera charger this time, so that's good. Another thing you need is these masks. They're the FFP2 ones because in Italy you need them to go on airplanes, public transport, whatever. Most people wear them. I've seen some people that wear the normal surgical ones, but I think they're all tourists, and I think you can get fined like 350 or 3,000 euro or something if you're not wearing it. So just check where you're going, what kind of mask you need beforehand, and buy some. This is my day bag, so it's pretty big. It's either 21 or 26 litres I think, and again it opens at the front. So like if you have your camera holder in there, you can just open it up instead of digging through the bag. It also has pockets on this side, so I put my Kindle, tissues, snacks, medication, earphones, stuff like that in there. So it's a good way to keep everything separate. I also have like journals and stuff that I can write in. Brought some chocolate for snacks. And then it also has a little bit at the top. So instead of having a pocket on the front, it has a pocket at the top, which is really, really handy. I put like my passport, bobbins, clips, sunglasses, phone, wallet, all in here. Obviously I brought sunglasses because it could be sunny. I also have my glasses and contact lenses as well. And then I have a few like pens in there. Obviously I have my laptop so I can edit videos, but also I can watch Netflix or whatever on this. I have my Kindle, which is, the case is very dirty now because it's been in and out of bags. This is really good for if you're sitting eating and you don't want to be on your phone. Sometimes I'll read this, sometimes I'll watch Netflix on my phone with earphones, sometimes I'll just sit there. So it's good to have something to do if you are eating by yourself. And then I also have my Gucci bag, which goes in my day bag. So that's handy if I don't want to bring a whole backpack out with me when I'm walking around, if I just need a little bag to go out, or for nighttime as well. Another thing I'd say that's good to bring is a portable charger. I actually have it connected to my phone right now. On most trains and stuff, they have plugs that you can plug in your phone and charge them, but this is just in case I'm walking around and my phone's gonna die or whatever. It's good to have because then at least you can find your way around with your phone. That's the last thing I brought, so I hope this was helpful. If you've any questions or want to know where I got anything, just let me know and I'll try answer it in the comments below. If you like this video, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.